Hello, good morning students. Now we have start chapter 5 fractions. Now solve the sum questions. Look here. Question is a piece of wire 7/8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1/4 meter long. How long is the other piece? Solution is length of one piece is equal to 1/4. Length of the other piece is equal to the difference of the length of the wire and the length of the first piece of wire. So length of other piece equal to 7/8 minus 1/4. LCM is 8. 8 1 ja 8. 7 multiply 1, 7 1 ja 7. Minus 4 2 ja 8. 2 1 ja 2. 7 minus 2, 5/8 meter. Okay. Now next question. Nandini's house is 9/10 kilometer from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for 1/2 kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? Solution is distance walked by Nandini is equal to total distance minus distance for which she took the bus. 9/10 minus 1/2. LCM is 10. 10 1 ja 10, 9 1 ja 9. Minus 2 5 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4/10. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. So 2/5 kilometer. This is answer. Next question. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size partly filled with books. Asha's shelf is 5/6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2/5 the full. Whose bookshelf is more full? By what fraction? Solution is fraction of Asha's shelf is equal to 5/6 and fraction of Samuel's shelf is equal to 2/5. Converting both fractions into like fractions, LCM is same. 6 5 ja 30 and 5 6 ja 30. So numerator and denominator multiplied by 5. 5 5 ja 25 and 6 5 ja 30. 2 6 ja 12 and 5 6 ja 30. 25/30 and 12/30. 5 5 ja 25 and 5 6 ja 30. Hence here 5/6 is greater than 2/5. Hence Asha's bookshelf is more full. This difference is equal to 25/30 minus 12/30. LCM is 30. 30 1 ja 30. 25 1 ja 25 minus 30 1 ja 30. 12 1 ja 12. 25 minus 12 is equal to 13/30. This is answer. Now next question. Jaydev takes 1/5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7/4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? Okay. Solution is Fraction of Jaydev walk 2 1 upon 5. 5 2 ja 10 plus 1 11 upon 5. Fraction of Rahul's walk is equal to 7 upon 4. Now fraction of Jaydev 11 upon 5. 5 4 ja 20 and 11 4 ja 44. Fraction is 44 upon 20 and fraction of Rahul's walk is equal to 7 upon 4. 4 5 ja 20 and 7 5 ja 35. Fraction is 35 upon 20. So converting here 11 upon 5 is greater than 7 upon 5, hence Rahul takes lesser time. Difference is equal to 44 upon 20 minus 35 upon 20. Difference is equal to 44 upon 20 minus 35 upon 20. LCM is 20. 20 1 ja 20 and 44 1 ja 44 minus 20 1 ja 20. 35 multiply 1 35. 44 minus 35 is equal to 9 upon 20 minutes. This is answer. Okay. Now okay student, now next question. 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7, the LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. 7 3 ja 21. 3 7 ja 21, 7 multiplied by 2 plus 7 3 ja 21, 1 multiplied 3. 7 multiplied 2 is equal to 14 plus 3 1 ja 3 upon 21. So 14 plus 3 is equal to 17 upon 21. Next is 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 15. The LCM of 10 and 15 is equal to 30. 10 3 ja 30 and 3 3 ja 9 plus 15 2 ja 30, 7 2 ja 14. 9 plus 14 upon 30 is equal to 14 plus 9 is equal to 23 plus 23 upon 30. Okay. Now next question, 5 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3. The LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. 7 3 ja 21. 5 3 ja 15 plus 3 7 ja 21. 7 1 ja 7. 15 plus 7 upon 21 is equal to 15 plus 7, 22 upon 21. Next is 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. LCM is 12. 4 3 ja 12 and 3 3 ja 9 minus 3 4 ja 12. 4 1 ja 4. 9 minus 4 upon 12. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 upon 12. This is answer. Next is 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 3. The LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. This is LCM. 6 1 ja 6. 5 1 ja 5 minus 3 2 ja 6. 2 1 ja 2. 5 minus 2 upon 6 is equal to 3 upon 6. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. 1 by 2. Now next is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 upon 2. The LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. LCM of 3, 4 and 2 is 12. LCM is 12. 3 4 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8 plus 4 3 ja 12 plus 3 3 ja 9 plus 2 6 ja 12, 6 1 ja 6. So 4 2 ja 8 plus 3 3 जा 9 plus 6 1 जा 6 upon 12. 8 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to 23 upon 12. Now next is 1 by 3 plus 3 2 by 3. Converting the given fraction into improper fraction. 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4 by 3 plus 3 3 ja 9 plus 2 11 upon 3. LCM is 3. 3 1 ja 3 is equal to 11 plus 4 1 ja 4. 11 plus 4 15 upon 3. So 3 5 ja 15. Okay student, write down the question.